أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين في نار جهنم خالدين فيها أولئك هم شر البرية. إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك هم خير البرية. جزاؤهم عند ربهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه ذلك لمن خشي ربه. Translation. In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Surely those who disbelieve from among the people of the book and the mushrikeen shall be in the fire of hell to dwell therein forever. They are the worst of all creatures. Surely those who believe and do good deeds are the best of all creatures. Their reward with their Rabb shall be the gardens of Eden, beneath which rivers flow to dwell therein forever. Allah shall be well pleased with them, and they shall be well pleased with him. That is for him who fears his Rabb.